So if you've been following my channel, you would know that I put up a video a few days back about the Wolfbox X5 dash camera, and I asked if any one of you had any Wolfbox contacts so that I could get the camera from them and review it for you guys. Well, guess what? Wolfbox saw that video and there's something which I need to show you guys. So here's the Wolfbox X5 currently in my hand. Wolfbox finally did send it to me, and this is going to be one amazing unboxing and a review video. So they've just highlighted some features on the box. It says it's a touchscreen panel, supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, it supports parking monitoring. There's nothing else around the box except the Wolfbox branding. So this is going to be one very interesting dashcam unboxing and review, because this is the cheapest Starvis 2 powered triple channel dashcam that's available in the market, coming at a price of close to 24 to 25,000 rupees. So those of you who were waiting for the review of the Wolfbox X5 dash camera, well, I finally have it, and I'll be starting work on this camera pretty soon. So stay tuned to Travel Tech and share this video with all your friends who are also looking forward to see the Wolfbox X5 review. Also guys, do write down in the comments if any specific features you need me to cover from this camera. What do you expect to see in this video, and what are your opinions on the Wolfbox X5? So lots of interesting videos coming up in the future. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel yet, you're missing out on a lot of cool tech things. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and make sure you're up to date on all the current latest tech trends, latest dashcam trends in India. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.